Lingbird, language learning made easy.
Good morning. Welcome to Central Station. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to buy a train ticket to Edinburgh, please.
Of course. When would you like to travel?
Tomorrow morning, if possible. What time does the first train leave?
The first train departs at 7:15. There's also one at 9:30 and another at 11.
I think the 9:30 would be good for me. Is it a direct train?
Yes, it's a direct service. It arrives in Edinburgh at 12:45, so just over 3 hours.
That sounds perfect. How much is a ticket?
That depends. Do you want a standard ticket or a first-class ticket?
Standard is fine, thank you. Is there a return ticket available?
Yes, absolutely. A single ticket costs £45 and a return ticket costs £72.
I'll take the return ticket, please. I'm planning to come back on Friday.
No problem at all. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love watching the countryside as I travel.
Of course. Can I take your name, please?
Yes, it's Manuel Santos.
Thank you, Mr. Santos. Do you have a rail card or any type of discount card?
No, I don't. Is there any other discount I might be able to use?
If you book a few days in advance, there are sometimes cheaper tickets available, but since you're traveling tomorrow, this is the best price I can offer.
That's all right. I understand. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. We accept all major credit and debit cards. Contactless is also fine.
Great. Here you are.
Thank you. Your train departs from Platform 3. Please try to arrive at the platform at least 10 minutes before departure.
Should I print the ticket or can I use my phone to show it?
You can use your phone. Just open the booking confirmation and show the QR code to the conductor on the train.
Wonderful. And is there a cafe on board where I can get something to eat?
Yes, there's a buffet car in the middle of the train. They serve hot and cold drinks, sandwiches, and snacks.
Perfect. One more thing. Is there free Wi-Fi on board?
Yes, there is. Just look for the train's Wi-Fi network and connect. No password needed.
That's great to know. Thank you so much for all your help.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful trip to Edinburgh. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travels.
Thank you for listening to this lesson. Your progress doesn't stop here. For even more confidence in your language skills, click on the next video or choose a playlist that matches your level. And of course, like and subscribe to stay up to date. Bye-bye.